Today we are discussing about what is the history of Oracle, from which version we are working with Oracle for the businesses. Oracle was developed by Oracle Corporation. The company was started in 1977. Yeah, Sai Teja. This is a go-to training link. Every day we have to register. Same link you need to use up to end of this week. Same link you can use, but every day we should register. After this week means from Monday onwards, you will get a new link. In that new link, just click on the link and enter your meeting ID. Automatically you will be joined. So what is Oracle? Oracle is RDBMS. It was developed by Oracle company. Oracle company started in 1977. At that time, the company name is Relational Software Incorporation. Relational Software Incorporation. In 1979, after 2 years, the name was changed as Oracle Corporation. And in the 1979 only, the first version was released. The first version was released in 1979 only. But from the first version until sixth version, they are not successful in the business. Public businesses, the database is not supporting some kind of business activities. First to sixth, the versions up to six, they are failed. But in 1986, after 7 years, they released Oracle 7. This is the first RDBMS or first successful RDBMS in the world. After Oracle 7, they released the version 8, but both versions are known as standalone databases. Standalone RDBMS. Why? Because both are not supporting online data processing. Both are not supporting online data processing. So directly you can manage within the system, but through web pages we are unable to access data. So later on they released Oracle 8i. I stands for Internet Applications. I stands for Internet Applications. Internet application is nothing but web pages. Means through web pages we are able to access data. Through web pages we are able to do some transactions. So that's why 8i onwards the data is supporting, the DBMS is supporting online data processing. Later they released Oracle 9i. 9i is also supporting online data processing. Along with that, we have some additional tools to develop ERP. ERP is nothing but e-business suite. E-business suite. ERP means like SAP, Oracle apps is there, Oracle applications. That is called as ERP. To develop ERP modules, Oracle 9i has some special tools. After 9i, 10G was introduced. The version 10G, G for grid technology. What is grid technology? Grid is a server. To that server, all your branch level databases are connected. Again, I am repeating. What is a grid database? This is look like this. For example, you have some branches. This is the database server for the first branch. This is the database server for first branch. Let us assume you have some 3 or 4 branches. For each branch, you should maintain a database server. All these database servers we should maintain separately. Instead of that, all these servers are connected to one grid system. Grid is nothing but a server again. Grid is nothing but a server again. It was connected to grid. Okay, this is called as grid. The benefit is from the grid system. From the grid system, we can monitor all the servers. We can find out what is happening under each server. By mistake, if any server was failed, temporarily grid will store the branch data. Temporarily, grid is acting as a database server for the third level branch. Once it was recovered, means once the database server is up, then the grid will load the data. Whatever the data generated in the failed state, that data again loaded into corresponding server. These are called as branch level servers. This is for branch 1. This is for branch 2. This is for branch 3. And this is for branch 4. Let us assume if you have 100 branches, then how many servers you have to maintain? 100 servers. How to monitor all the servers? If there is a grid, then from one place, you can easily monitor all the servers. If there is no grid, we have to monitor each and every one separately. So grid database is a server. To that server, we can connect multiple operational databases, multiple branch level databases. Then from the grid system, we can monitor the all servers. Maintenance is easy. The cost of maintenance is reducing, and grid is managing failures of database, and also grid is managing workload on each database server. What are the benefits? Again, recall the benefits. Monitoring is easy, means maintenance cost is easy. Next, manage database failures. Next one, managing load on each server. Managing load on each server. These are the advantages of grid. This is about Oracle 10G. I'm talking about Oracle 10G. Later, after 10G, we have other version, Oracle 11G. What is the use of 11G? 11G means it is also grid technology, but we can use 11G as OLTP database and also as OLAP database. We can set up Oracle 11G database server as OLTP database, as OLAP database also. For both of them, we can use Oracle 11G. Exact meaning is 11G supporting transactional database development and also analytical database development. Transactional database development and analytical database development. Analytical database means data warehouse. Now, I want to show you one diagram so that you can understand what is transactional database and what is analytical database. See here, guys. Assume that there is a business. The business has branches. First branch, third branch, fourth branch, whatever it is. From any branch, how the users are communicating, how the users are getting information, the users connected to the database server through web pages. So through HTML pages, the users collecting information, making transactions. Then whenever you are expecting information as a user, whenever you are expecting information, you are getting information from backend database server. These are called as backend database servers. These database servers are known as, listen carefully, these database servers are known as OLTP database systems, online transaction processing RDBMS, online transaction processing RDBMS. What is the meaning of this? Suppose, for example, you are withdrawing money, then one transaction generated. The transaction information saved in the backend database. The transaction information saved under backend database. It is a current transaction. Listen carefully. It is a current transaction. Similarly, 1 year back or 6 months back, just listen, 6 months back, you have withdrawn some amount. 6 months back, that is called as old transaction. Old transaction also available here? No. Old transaction is available here under data warehouse. Immediately we have a doubt, sir, how to identify old transaction or current transaction? How to specify the category for the transaction? Generally, any business maintain the data periodically. Any business maintain the data periodically. The common business period is quarter, 3 months period. So even nowadays, of course, I hope you know that point. State Bank of India Q1 result. So suppose ICICI Bank Q2 result, Infosys Q3 result, Wipro Q4 result. What is this Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4? 3 months business period is known as a quarter. Any business, the common business period in the world, the common business period is quarter. Quarterly, they are maintaining the data. What is the financial year for India? Anybody, guys? What is the financial year for India? Anybody? April 1st. Yeah. Yes, Meenakshi madam. April 1st to March 31st. This is your financial year. For India, what is the financial year for America? January 1st to December 31st. January 1st to December 31st. That is for America. Leave about it. But here, see, April 1st to March 31st. This is the financial year for India. Okay. April, May, June. See, April, May, June. This is called as Q1. What it is? Q1, quarter one. In case June completed, July, August, and September. This is Q2. Next one, October, November, December. This is Q3. And January, February, March. January, February, March, Q4. Right? What is today date? 11th November. According to IST, today date is 11th November. So we are in which quarter? We are in quarter 3. We are in quarter 3. No, Mallikarjun, I think my voice is clear. All of you guys able to hear me properly? Okay. Yeah. So Mallikarjun, if you are unable to hear properly, please rejoin again. No problem. Again, see here, guys. Present, we are in which quarter? We are in quarter 3. Running business period is quarter 3. So quarter 3 data available here. Quarter 3 data is nothing but OLTP database data. Whereas quarter 4 data, quarter 4 is not there. Present, we are in quarter 3 only. But in this year, 2020, in this year, Q2 completed and Q1 also completed. For the year 2020, Q1, Q2 completed. Present quarter data is here. That is called as current business period data. But this period already completed. This period already completed. Where is this data? This data loaded into data warehouse. Already completed business period data loaded into data warehouse. Running business period data available under transactional databases. Understand? So this is called as OLTP, Online Transaction Processing Database. It has current business period data. Immediately we have a doubt. Sir, why are you maintaining data warehouse? Maintain all the data at this place only. I don't want to maintain data warehouse. I want to maintain all the data here only. Only I will maintain single database. What will happen? See, first quarter, 100 million records. Second quarter, 500 million records. Third quarter, 1,000 million records. Quarter on quarter, your data size is increasing. If there is limited data, we can search data as much as fast. If there is unlimited data, huge amount of data search time is long. If the data search time is long, performance is decreasing. That's why don't maintain all the data at one place. Don't maintain like this. This is wrong. Meenakshi, if something went wrong in the database, there is a backup and recovery methods are there. Okay, so don't maintain all the data at one place. That is very dangerous, and also your performance is decreasing. That's why they are organizing the data periodically. So only limited data available here and all the old data available here. For example, let me explain a small example, period to period. Let us assume September completed. Once September completed, see July, August, September data is here and also here and also here. Understand? So the September data, once September completed, before October 1st started, the data loaded from this place to here, and also this data loaded from this place to here, and also this branch data also loaded to here. Data already loaded. Assume that data already loaded. Okay, this is first branch data, second branch data, third branch data, and here data erased. Why? Already old data loaded into data warehouse. So October 1st onwards, you have fresh data here. October 1st onwards, you have fresh data here. So always under OLTP, you are maintaining limited data. Always under OLTP, you are maintaining limited data. That's all about OLTP. What is OLAP? So many people having a doubt. Sir, present we need current data. Why should I maintain old data? According to your explanation, July completed, August completed, September completed. So delete the data. What is the necessity to maintain old data in the data warehouse? Listen carefully, guys. Suppose you have deposited 1 lakh today. Already 1 lakh deposited in August, right? But your account balance is only 1,50,000. Immediately you have a doubt. Already I have deposited 2 lakhs, present 1 lakh, long back 1 lakh. But why it is displaying 1,50,000? See, if the banking people don't maintain August data, they are unable to give you the answer. They should maintain each and every data. Then only they are able to give the answer. So for analysis purpose, for the review purpose, and for the comparison purpose, we should maintain data warehouse. And for the transactional purpose, we should maintain OLTP database. Why we are discussing all these things? Oracle 11G up to Oracle 10G, here I have given 7, 8 to 8i, 9i, 10G and 11G. All versions supporting OLTP. Okay, but from 11G onwards, From 11G onwards, it is also supporting data warehouse. 11G supporting data warehouse activities, 12C also supporting, 18C also supporting, 19C also supporting. 11G onwards, you can set up Oracle as data warehouse as well as transactional database. Both developments are supported from Oracle 11G. I hope you understand what is OLTP and OLAP. If anybody has any question, then ask me. Anybody, guys? Okay. I hope you don't have any questions. Let us see. So this is about OLTP explanation and OLAP explanation. Now, Narendra, who can take care about data warehouse? Yes, Joshi, I am giving the answer. Data warehouse development is a separate development. I hope you know, I hope you know Informatica, ab initio, Informatica, Cognos. This is called as data warehouse development. Informatica is a data warehouse tool to define the data warehouse applications. Who will take care about data warehouse? Data warehouse developers. Separately, the people are there. Data warehouse administrators are also there. They are taking care about data warehouse. Right? Next question. Next one. Somebody is asking, hold on. Joshi, how long do they maintain data in OLAP database? See, Joshi, from the beginning of your business day, from the beginning of your business day until end of your business day, you should maintain all the data compulsory. Maybe maybe the people are shocking, sir. From the beginning of the business day means maybe, yeah, if the business started 100 years back, from that day we have to maintain data. Yes, exactly. You should maintain all the data from the day one until this second, compulsory. Next one, Kishan. Sir, the data will be automatically sent to data warehouse for archiving purpose. The way backup is done on a daily basis. Kishan, if you raise this much of technical question, the other students will fear. Let us see. Generally, see here, guys, one of your friend is asking, sir, uh, suppose Q2 completed, Q2, quarter 2 completed, then how the data will be transferred into data warehouse? Okay, actually here two activities are there. The process of, listen carefully, the process of taking data, take data from here, take data from here, take data from here. The process of taking data is called as extraction. And before loading data, before loading data, apply some changes. That is called as transformation. After some changes, finally we can load data into data warehouse. So the process of taking data from here, loading data into here, the process is known as ETL process. What is the process? ETL, extraction, transformation, loading. It is done by ETL developers or data warehouse developers. It is done by data warehouse developers, or we can say ETL developers. I hope you understand. And also two things actually happening. Let me explain that also. Data successfully loaded here. After that, here is the copy, old data. The old data is maintained as a backup copy. Compulsory, they will create a archive file in the form of tapes. They will maintain backup. After backup and loading process completed, they will delete data from here. Deleting data from here. So where is the old data? Old data available under data warehouse. Old data also available in the tapes. Understand, Kishan? Yep. Next. I hope you, yeah, I hope you understand what is the exact meaning of OLTP and OLAP. Now, next version is Oracle 12c. Where are those tapes stored? See, if you have, if you want to understand all these questions, type like this, youtube.com, if you are interested. So technically, if you want to get the knowledge, go to youtube.com and here, type here, Microsoft data center videos, YouTube data center videos. Recently I saw the news, Microsoft company maintaining the data center under the sea. Under the sea. See, this is the video. In this video, you can find out the data center. See here in the back end, the data center maintained by Microsoft under the sea. This is nothing but data storage. Database, it is a database. Sir, what is this database? It's a system. Under this system, storage area is there in the form of tapes, in the form of hard disks. They are maintaining the data. If you search in the YouTube, you have so many videos. Recently, they have taken their data. This is the cable to transfer data. See the under the sea. This is the scenario of the data center of Microsoft. Okay, if you need more technical information, check in the YouTube, like Facebook data center, Microsoft data center. For every company maintaining data centers. Data center is nothing but data warehouse. Just now I told you, from the day one, they have to maintain the data compulsory. They should not miss any day data. Okay, next one, Oracle 12c. Yeah. Oracle 12c. What is Oracle 12c? C for cloud database. Here G for grid. Here C for cloud. OTT platforms also using database. Let us see. Cloud database. Cloud database means what? Simple example. Suppose you have a business. The business has branches. So you are maintaining databases in your branch. Under each branch, you are maintaining database server. Database server means what? You need a computer, high-end configuration computer, and high-end capacity of data storage, disk, hard disk capacity, RAM you have to maintain, more size RAM you have to maintain, means you have to maintain a separate infrastructure for the server, right? This is the case up to Oracle 11G. Up to Oracle 11G, this is the case. But from Oracle Cloud, from the cloud database, don't maintain any server at your level. Suppose, hold on, you have a business, and here the business has two branches. Just I'm giving general information. The business has two branches. In the first branch, you are getting some information. In the second branch also, you are getting some information. Branch 1, and here you have branch 2. Okay, right. But to store branch 1 data, you need a server. To store branch 2 data, you need a server. No, sir, I don't want to maintain any setup to maintain data. What will happen? Nowadays, Oracle company providing a cloud storage area. Oracle company is providing a cloud storage area. This is called as cloud storage area. Means Oracle company maintaining infrastructure. Cloud storage area. So this is maintaining by whom? Oracle. So the setup is at which place? Oracle company. Understand? Okay. Now your data, your branch level data, you can communicate with Oracle company. Remember, you are a client to the Oracle company. You can make a deal with Oracle company. I have a business and I am getting information. So I need space. I need space to maintain my business data. You are requesting to Oracle and you will pay to Oracle. If Oracle agree and you are also agree, then your branch level data stored here. Means you are a client to the Oracle company. Client generally before cloud, client has to maintain server. After cloud, client is not maintaining server. Infrastructure and storage both will be provided by Oracle vendor only. So what is happening? The client is happy. He will feel free. He don't have responsibility to maintain the information. That is taken care by Oracle company. So the business person is paying some amount to Oracle company for the maintenance of the information of his company. Understand, guys? This is known as cloud storage. 12C, 18C, 19C, all three things are cloud storage area. Understand? And see, this is the branch 1 data, right? And it is a branch 2 data. Here, a lot of cloud storage area, very big storage space is there. Very big storage space is there, right? Very big storage space is there. So to maintain that data, see here, they will arrange a small portion. They will reserve a small space for the branch 1 data. And they are reserving another small space for branch 2 data. Understand, guys? Okay, let me show you the cloud diagram released by Oracle company. Here it's my explanation. The same type of scenario you can see in the diagram released by Oracle company. Let me show you the diagram released by Oracle company. Hold on. Help examples paint. No. Yeah, Oracle Cloud Database diagram. See here, guys. There is a single large storage area. In this large storage space, reserve some space for the branch 1. Reserve another space for branch 2. Reserve another space for branch 3. Like that, we can make partitions. This space for branch 1, this space for branch 5, this space for branch 10, like that. Understand? So this single database, this single cloud database, it is called as a cloud database or container database. And the small databases, the small spaces, these are known as pluggable databases. Just I want to write the statement here. What is this? Container database. And these are known as pluggable databases. Pluggable database means branch level database. Take some more in-depth technically. This is OLTP. Small database is known as a OLTP, whereas the big database is known as a OLAP. Understand? The CDB is nothing but OLAP. PDB is nothing but OLTP, branch level data. Sir, what is the benefit in this? First benefit is cost reduction. You can see this diagram directly released and the points also directly released by Oracle company. First one is cost reduction, decreasing cost of maintaining your database. And the next one is more levels of security. Here is one level security. Here is one level security. Third one, easy to transfer data from one place to another place. Easy to transfer data and coding from one place to another place. Next one, if I make any changes here, the changes immediately available to all pluggable databases. Changes immediately available to all pluggable databases. That is the benefit of CDB. It's just like gated community building. Under one gated community, multiple families are staying. Suppose if the gated community people arrange a playground, arrange a function hall, arranging a playground or walking area or any function hall, that facility available to all families. Technical explanation, example explanation, both I am giving. If I make any changes here, changes immediately available to local databases or pluggable databases. I hope you understand, guys. So whenever we are using cloud database, you have so many advantages. Cost is reducing and maintenance is easy, more levels of security, changes are dynamic. Changes are dynamic. So this is about cloud database. Next, 18C and 19C. These two are also known as cloud databases. Cloud databases, but these are known as autonomous cloud database. Autonomous cloud database. What is autonomous cloud database? Here it is a cloud database. And here it is autonomous cloud. What is autonomous cloud? Autonomous cloud means actually he is a client. He is the client to Oracle company. Client is not caring about maintenance of data. That is normal cloud. Suppose client requesting for space, and also maintenance also seen by the client people only. Maintenance and also requesting the space, both are done by the client only. Then it is called as autonomous cloud storage area. Autonomous cloud storage. And somebody is asking, isn't placeable data store in OLAP should be transferred? Didn't understand you, Joshi. Need clear question. Okay, guys, this is about versions. The latest version is Oracle 19C. And the last point, what are the database editions? According to your size of the company, you can select the edition. Oracle database software available in 3 editions. Enterprise edition, it is premium edition. You can get all facilities of database. You can use all features of database. Enterprise edition, and it will support any size of business, small business to multinational business. Enterprise edition database. OLTP data not a part of CDB. OLTP data is PDB. Next, standard edition. Standard edition. What is standard edition? It will support up to medium level business. And express edition. Express edition, it's a free edition, but you have very limited features. You have very limited features. Only you can use Express edition in maximum 2 systems. For your business, I am talking about. And it will support the data of 12 GB user data. It is supporting 2 GB RAM for the 2 GB RAM system, and also maximum it is supporting 12 GB data only. But here Enterprise edition will support terabytes of data. Standard edition support gigabytes of data. This is only limited gigabytes of data. Express edition, standard edition, enterprise edition. Hope you understand. This is about Oracle versions and editions. This is the end of the session for today. Tomorrow I will explain what is SQL. One second, Bharat. Let me unmute you. Yes. What is your question? Will not involve if client themselves maintain the cloud.
Yeah, I
Correct.
mean, when you said this autonomous cloud means, I mean, client has flexibility wherein they can maintain
Yes.
their own, which where Oracle will not involve for any of the updates or anything, right? I mean, when it comes to the infrastructure.
See, Oracle is not involving in any maintenance part. But if the client needs any support, then definitely Oracle will provide support.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Jyoti, if you want to practice in your system, you can use either 11G Express Edition or 12C, 18C, 19C, anything. Yeah. Sai Teja, we will do the installation.
Which person, sir? Which person, sir?
Which version?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that depends on your RAM. If your system has 2 GB RAM, better to install 11G Express Edition or 18C Express Edition also. If your system
I have sir 16 GB RAM, sir, with SSD.
6 GB RAM, right?
16 GB RAM, sir. Yeah.
Then you can install Oracle 19C.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and
SQL developer also will work here, right?
SQL developer separately we can download and you can use it directly. I want to show you. Somebody is asking about SQL developer.
Yeah, Bharat.
No, Suresh. Suresh, don't install Oracle 12C Express Edition. It is better to install 18C Express Edition or 11G Express Edition.
Okay.
Yeah. Somebody is asking about what is that SQL developer. See, guys.
Bharat.
Yeah, Bharat. If you download SQL developer, you will get a zip file like this. Okay. If you extract zip file, then it will be extracted as a folder. If you open SQL developer, folder, just come down. Come down.
Drag, right? Yeah, got it.
Just come down, and here you are seeing one icon, SQL developer icon.
True.
Just
Yeah.
double click.
Right.
Don't install it. Just double
click. We can shortcut to desktop and we can make use it right directly.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So if you double click it, within few seconds it will be started.
So
See,
I can download directly from Oracle website, right?
Yes, you can download it directly from Oracle website.
Okay.
Hmm?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Dinesh.
Yeah.
Dinesh, can you help us to install Oracle 11G Express Edition so that from tomorrow onwards we can start?
Yeah, sure. Here, one request, guys, all of you. If you want me to show you how to install in your system directly, before that, you need to do one thing. That is, download the software from Oracle website and keep it aside in your system. Don't try to install yourself. If you try yourself and if it was failed, then you can uninstall, but you need more in-depth knowledge to uninstall your software. Don't make installation trials yourself without having proper knowledge. Why? Because in case if you fail to install Oracle, the Oracle services permanently register in your C drive until we will delete that services. You are unable to install it second time. First time, if it was failed, remaining all times definitely you will be failed. When you will be success, you will get success means you should delete all old services permanently registered in your system. That is very, very difficult. So if you want me to show you the installation, I can directly show you in our class only, no problem. How to install 11G, how to install 19C or 12C, any version. Okay, but here I have already installation files are there. Let me show you somewhere. I have stored that installation videos. Already I have some installation videos. That videos are recorded in my system. So you can directly watch that videos and you can do the installation yourself.
But prior to that, we have to download that 11G database.
Compulsory. You need to download the Oracle database software from the Oracle website.
Okay, for that, can you give us, is it simple or means?
I will show you the process. All of you see, guys, here, Oracle 11G folder, 19C folder. 11G, how to uninstall 11G, how to install 11G. Both videos are recorded myself in my system. Step-by-step process explained very clearly. And 19C, how to uninstall 19C part 1, uninstall 19C part 2, similarly install 19C part 1, install 19C part 2. Right? All these pre-recorded videos you can watch very carefully and also you can install if you are interested. Or otherwise just leave it to me, no problem. I will show you how to install. Next, before installing the database, you should download the database. You can download from Oracle website. Say Google and download Oracle 19C for Windows. First link. If you click on first link, then it is showing Windows 64-bit 19C. First link only. So don't go for these things. Oracle database 19C, grid infrastructure. Don't go for all these things. Oracle database 19C for Microsoft Windows 64-bit operating system. Select this zip file. It is asking for license agreement. Accept it. Accept it. Select download. Then it is asking for username and password. If you are not having Oracle account, create some account. Then do the same process. Open Google, type download Oracle 19C, select first link, accept license agreement, and then select zip file. Submit username and password. It will be downloaded into your system.
For 11G also same process.
Same process. 11G also same process.
Okay, what is the system requirement for 19C? RAM and hard disk.
RAM is 8 GB, 8 GB, and hard disk 50 GB.
Okay.
Nami Joshi, you are asking about some certification. Our training also covering certification concepts, but for only certification, you don't need this much of subject. Certification course will take only 15 to 20 days. That's more than enough.
But post this course, we can go for SQL and PL SQL, right? Will it help
Yes, sure.
to clear?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yep. So actually, certification don't include all the concepts and don't include complicated examples. Certification means whether you are able to understand a concept or not. Concept wise, you should know why it is what it is. That is more than enough for certification. But for the developer job, you should need complete in-depth knowledge to work as a developer. Okay, guys, that's all for today.
Dinesh, once we download that Oracle 11G Express edition, can we get to those 4 tables also? Default tables are there, M, SAL, grade, department, those also will come by default.
If you don't have tables, I have tables document. I will send it to you. Directly you can create the tables. Copy paste.
Okay.
Right? Sample tables also, don't worry. Narendra, Oracle 18C Express. Don't uninstall Narendra. Keep it Oracle 18C and work on 18C. Every concept will work. Don't worry about it. Okay, guys. Thank you, all of you. And rest of the part we will continue tomorrow.
Dinesh, same link will continue for tomorrow also because today
Yes.
I registered but I didn't get any acknowledgement.
Okay. Actually, same link for tomorrow also. From Monday onwards, the link will be changed.
Okay.
Tell me, Bharat, hello?
No, I didn't ask anything. Yeah, thanks.
Somebody.
So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, these 3 days is the same link.
Actually, Monday to Saturday, same link. First week. Second week onwards, our link working for 14 days. Second week onwards, you will get a new link. That link working for 14 days.
Okay, okay.
Right? Yeah. So use the same link for tomorrow. No need to worry.
Tomorrow, Friday and Saturday also. Okay, today now I will install Oracle MG Express Citizen into my local machine, so that are you going to place that video in that Google Drive?
Okay, drive.
Yeah,
So
for installation.
instead of that, I will show you how to install. I think it is better. So if you, I will place that videos into my drive. You can access that videos. No worries.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Okay, I will make it download so that you can help me in the installation.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, then,
Yes. Yeah. Jyoti, I will show you how to install Oracle 19c in our class only. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, guys. Thank you, all of you. Good night, all of you. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.